In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about vitamin D deficiency. What are the signs that you want to look for, the red flags for vitamin D deficiency? Vitamin D deficiency is very rampant nowadays in India. You see every other person suffering from these diseases. So why think about vitamin D? What is it about? Our diet is not sufficient enough to supply, and vitamin D is not getting absorbed enough. This might be one of the reasons, but then we see people all the time having deficiency for vitamins, especially vitamin D. Chronically low levels of vitamin D can cause sufferings, early diseases, and death. Those of you who know about this and are already taking supplements and are taking care, I bet you have neighbors and friends who don't know about it. So I would suggest you share with them as much as you can, email them, text them, or share it with n number of ways on social media. But then do share this video so that everyone is educated and can take proper. So the first sign would be bone aches. I'm not talking about joint pains. This is bone aches. This condition is called as osteomalacia, where your bones pain without any obvious reasons. So you need to check your vitamin D levels. They might be low, maybe lower than 25 or 20. This is the way of body screaming for help. So your bones are screaming for help. They need vitamin D. They're deficient in vitamin D. If you don't act timely, it's going to lead to osteopenia and hence osteoporosis, where you can have brittle bones and have fractures easily. So the second sign would be feeling chronically fatigued. If you're the one who feels chronically fatigued, you can go and visit your doctor and include the vitamin D25 test into your blood work and see what the levels are. Because vitamin D deficiency is very easy to catch and very easy to fix. So you don't want to miss on this. The third sign would be having a fracture easily. Suppose you fall on a carpet and have a fracture. That's not normal. You shouldn't be falling on a carpet and having a fracture. Or for example, if you are coughing with bronchitis and you fracture a rib, that's not normal. You need to definitely check your vitamin D levels. The fourth sign would be frequent infections. If you're having frequent viral infections as compared to your friends and family, it's time you check your vitamin D levels, because vitamin D level is so important to protect you from all these infections and build up your immunity. You definitely need to check your vitamin D level. The fifth sign would be if you're feeling depressed. I am not talking about clinical depression here. Depressed mood, if you're feeling low all the time. Reason might be that you could be suffering with vitamin D deficiency. Research shows that low levels of vitamin D deficiency causes a lot of low feeling and depressed mood. So keep this on your list to check. The sixth sign would be slow wound healing. If your wound takes forever time to heal, and as compared to other people, then it's time that you again check your vitamin D level, because vitamin D is responsible for a lot of hundreds of biochemical reactions on the skin and in the body. So if your wound is slow to heal, then you definitely need to check on this. Seventh sign is similar to the first one, that is muscle ache. So if you have muscle aches here and there without any reason, it's time you check first your vitamin D levels. So if your food is not enough to provide you with vitamin D3, it's better you go for supplements. I would still suggest don't go for vitamin D2, which is to be taken once a month or once a week. Please go for gel-filled caps that are rich in vitamin D3. So that is more easily, it's naturally absorbed in the body, so it will be much more helpful. I hope you find this video helpful and you will share with as many people as you can.